nasa conversation yung trade. Kasi boss, those are the possibilities now. Kasi boss, let's face it, Team Cone wants Bobby Ray Parks all along. Di ba boss, bago pa to nagbilig. Hindi lang kinuha ni Coach Team Cone, kaya nga po
Yes.
mga kaibigan, bigla nilang kinuha si Jamie Malonzo and Jeremiah Gray. Di ba, almost at the same conference, at same season. Di ba boss? So, nangangailangan si Coach Team Cone kasi ng isang Bobby Ray Parks. Kasi boss, yan yung mga sistema na gusto niya sa kanyang triangle eh, 'di ba? Yung may mobility, 'di ba, boss, and can create plays for their teammates, 'di ba, boss? Boss Homer. So sa tingin mo ba, boss, nasa wish list ni Coach Team Cone itong si Bobby Ray Parks? And do you believe that what
Choy,
Team
pahingin ng
1
tubig, Choy,
get?
baso.
Boss Homer.
Yes, of course, boss. Like I said kanina, what coach doesn't want Bobby Ray Parks?
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Willing passer, rebounder, assist, can play defense, can shoot a three. So those are the elements you need to be a good international player.
Mm-hmm. Pero do you think, boss, Bobby Ray
from
Parks can still patch things up with talk and text?
Yan ang problema because so much blood has been left on the water, boss.
Correct.
And I know water washes away blood, but still, yun na nga, babalik din tayo sa grudges, di ba? Tingnan mo nga si Mikey, 2 years na.
Kaya nga.
Di ba? Magto 2 years na ngayong April 23.
Tsaka boss, how TNT is handling the situation of Mikey, I don't think hindi napapansin ni Bobby Ray yan, boss. So, di ba? Time will come, lalo na, nilabas mo na yung story mo kay Mikey na siya na yung tumatawag, walang nangyari. Baka yan yung maging turn off din kay Bobby Ray, di ba, boss?
Yes. And Bobby Ray, just like, I would like to believe, Bobby Ray is cut from the same cloth as Mikey Williams. Na paano man, prideful, boss, di ba?
Tama.
Kung ayaw mo sa akin, di ayaw ko din sa'yo, di ba? Ganon. Ganon na, feel-am yan, boss eh. So, ganon na character.
Tsaka alam ko even Bobby Ray Parks wants to play for Ginebra na pinaglaruan ng father niya at some point, di ba? Sa PBA, IBA.
Yes.
Naglaro yung tatay niya sa Ginebra, di ba? Oo.
Pero, yes. And this is it, boss. Ito din. If I'm Bobby Parks, if I'm going to take a pay cut sa Japan B-League para maglaro sa PBA, I'd rather play for Ginebra, the most popular. Maraming tao nanonood pag nanonood kayo, palami kayo. Babae kayo, rockstar kayo.
Tsaka boss, ito maganda dyan. Boss, magandang kombinasyon yan para sa asawa niya tsaka sa kanya. Kasi boss, popular yung asawa niya sa mga vloggers, tapos popular team siya naglalaro. Di ba, boss? Ito ngayon ang tanong ko, Boss Homer. Outside of talk and text, ano ang pinaka logical na next team ni Bobby Ray Parks if and when he decides to come back sa PBA?
San Miguel, boss. It's the third best. And then all Filipino, nandun si Junmar.
What's the second best?
Diba? You can win.
What's the second best team after talk and text?
The first best team is Ginebra, obviously, then TNT, and then San Miguel. Yun ang order ng totem pole ko ngayon sa PBA. Power rankings ko. Ginebra, TNT, and then San Miguel.
For Bobby Ray Parks?
For Bobby Ray Parks, yes.